Hi, I'm Kym Marsh and I'm playing Hetty in the brand new stage adaptation of Single White Female. Based on the 90s cult classic film, this gripping new psychological thriller is all about identity, obsession, and what happens when someone gets just a little bit too close. Get ready for a thrilling night at your local theatre. It might make you think twice about inviting a stranger into your home. I wanted to do this play because it's the first time it's ever been done on stage. It was a movie that I enjoyed watching when I was younger. You know, it was up there with all those kind of thriller classics. I think what makes Single White Female so relevant today is that this kind of thing still goes on. It's basically about identity, and we see it all the time, don't we, with social media and people kind of stealing someone else's identity or wanting someone else's life and the dangers that come with that. If you love a good thriller, then you're going to love Single White Female. There's so many twists and turns that you won't expect. Hopefully it'll have you jumping out of your seats. Look out for the stilettos.